Welcome. When setting up a custom call flow for your organization, there are a few key steps to keep in mind. Let's look at the live platform dashboard on our screen. Right here, we have a specific virtual phone number that you have completely configured and marketed out to the public. This is the exact number that you want your customers to dial when they are trying to reach your business. But here is the core logic. When a customer actually dials this number, the incoming call can't just hang in space. It absolutely must have a designated, final destination mapped directly to it. Right? The call hitting this line has to be instructed exactly where to go. Depending entirely on your current operational use case, that incoming call should either route directly into a specific department, land on an interactive IVR system to play a recorded greeting, or ring straight through to an individual agent's phone. As you can see on this row, we currently have a department assigned to it. Now, let's see how you can change this setting. If I select the action menu for this particular number and click on Edit, this dedicated configuration window transitions right into focus. Inside this modal, we have a crucial field labeled Destination. When we click it, a wide variety of back-end routing options becomes available. For instance, I can choose to link this number straight to a primary department. Let's say this selected department has 10 active team members, such as Rahul, Kashan, or Pratesh. The very moment an incoming call hits this department, it will route across those users' devices based on your preset ring strategy. On the other hand, I can bypass the entire department and route the call straight to a single agent, like Shivani, by picking her direct extension. The platform gives you the complete liberty to structuralize this exactly how your business flows. You can set up a department routing rule, establish time-based conditions for out-of-office hours, or map it directly to an automated auto-attendant menu. It entirely depends on your active use case. For our scenario today, my use case dictates that whenever a customer calls, it goes straight to our main department, an available agent answers, and then cleanly disconnects when done. That's how simple it is to map a destination. Keep in mind, different clients utilize a wide mix of these settings to fit their infrastructure. Some of our clients prefer strict time conditions to manage day and night shifts. Some rely entirely on centralized departments, while other enterprise accounts prefer routing incoming traffic into massive inbound call queues. It really does vary from use case to use case. Now, before we conclude this walkthrough, there is an incredibly important security rule you need to remember regarding system management. This exact destination mapping process can only be executed by an account administrator. Standard agents handling daily queues do not have the clearance or the visibility to modify these company numbers. Supervisors can also make these changes, provided the account admin has granted the required permissions in your profile. With admin or authorized supervisor access, you can update your routing paths anytime your strategy changes. That wraps up our guide on setting up call destinations. Thanks for watching.